that White House is Henry Ford's childhood home. This was Thomas Edison's lab. We have the original up here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Si Josephine, guys, is yung nag-iisang apong babae ni Henry Ford and Clara Ford. Yan. So this plaza is dedicated to her or named after her. Ito, guys, yung map, yung Greenfield Village map. So dito muna kami punta kami sa Henry Ford's Model T. Ride in a Ford Henry Ford's Model T. Oh, marami na nakapila.
So, nandito kami ngayon sa pila, no? Ayan, Model T. Yan yun sa mga first set na ginawa ni Henry Ford na sasakyan. During 1910 to 1920s, na-release yung Model T. And naging prominent yung paggamit kasi kahit sa agriculture, then also business, ginamit siya. And fun fact is, the price niya is around 280 to 800 during that time. And by 1999, in-acknowledge siya as century's most used cars or most known car. So yun, later sasakay kami and we'll have the experience to ride yung Model T.
Yan, guys, yung sasakyan naming Model T. Yay! Yay! Yay!
Oh.
1921 Model T, guys.
1921.
Original. This is the original.
Yes,
right?
yes. Now, have you been here before?
No, our first time.
So back there, that White House is Henry Ford's childhood home. And right here is the Wright Brothers Bike Shop. If you walk way back.
Yesterday. Yeah,
Oh, good,
right,
good.
brother.
And then Wilbur and Orville Wright's childhood home that they grew up in.
Oh.
And the Sir John Bennett clock tower is ringing right now, but there's
Alright.
candy in there,
Yeah.
all kinds of cookies, yummy stuff.
Okay.
And then the 1913 Herschel Spielman carousel is on your left right here.
Oh, yeah. This one is 19?
It's 112 years old.
112 years old, guys. The carousel. Wow.
Yep. And so with your ride band, you can ride that unlimited ride.
Oh, yeah. That's nice. We will go there. And that...
If you want to ride the horse and buggy today, it's down there by the Eagle Tavern.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we will ride the horse later. Yeah.
Speaking of the horses.
Yeah, so we can go there also.
Yep. So right
right.
next to the Eagle Tavern is where you pick up the horse and buggy.
Oh, okay.
Where
Wow.
the white pillars.
Yeah, later, guys, we will ride there. Yeah. Is that the real horse? Yeah.
Yep. Up here on your left, or sorry, on your right, is Thomas Edison's Menlo Park, New Jersey lab.
Oh, yeah.
So this comes from New Jersey. This was Thomas Edison's lab where he invented the phonograph and perfected the incandescent light bulb. This is the Sarah Jordan boarding house here. This is where some of Henry Ford's workers would have stayed.
Oh, yeah.
And that was the first house ever to have light or electricity going all the way through the house.
Wow.
Yeah,
In the world.
Yeah,
In the world.
yeah.
Wow.
This is a treat now. We're going to go over the covered bridge. It's called the Ackley Bridge.
I'm about to buy this car.
I think this is old but it's expensive.
I'm due to buy this car, Papa.
No, we cannot. It's not on sale anymore.
Who wants to buy it?
Yeah.
He's a man after my own heart right there. Over that wall right there is the Ford Proving Ground. That's where they do test drives on concept
Oh.
cars.
Oh. That wall.
Yep. Right here, this is called Cotswold Cottage. Henry Ford bought these 4 buildings for his wife Clara after they visited Cotswold, England, and they fell in love with these. So they disassembled these buildings brick by brick, and they put them in wood crates and then sailed them across the Atlantic Ocean.
Wow. Brick
Yeah.
by brick.
Brick by brick.
Wow.
When they got over here, then they had the masons
I
from...
like it. It's so windy. I would love to buy this car.
When they came over here, Cotswold masons had to come over here to put it back together.
Wow.
There's no need aircon in this car.
What,
No
Kuya?
need aircon in
No
this
need
car
aircon?
because it's a windy car.
That new gray building right there is the new headquarters for Ford Motor
For
Company.
Ford Motor Company. Yeah.
They just announced it a few weeks ago. So the engine is a 20 horsepower engine. It's 4 cylinders straight, and we get about 20 miles per gallon. And if you look at my feet right now, I don't know if you can see my feet. There are 3 pedals down here. My left foot is on the clutch, my right foot is on the brake, and the middle pedal is my reverse, and then accelerating with my right hand. So I'm not accelerating with the acceleration pedal. So yeah, so what I do is I accelerate and push with my left foot, just like that, and I accelerate back up, let the car kind of idle down, and then I release my left foot. So it's just low gear and high gear. Yep. The top speed would be about 40 miles an hour. Yeah, but I would not want to go 40 miles an hour. We're barely going probably about 10 or 15 miles an hour. Yep. This gray building is Thomas Edison's Fort Myers lab. So Thomas Edison, Henry Ford, and Harvey Firestone vacationed down in Florida during the winter months.
Yeah, Florida. Yeah. I think
So
I
if you
heard
go to
about
Fort
that.
Myers, Florida, the production, we have the original up here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
White building with the pillars, that's called Eagle Tavern.
Eagle Tavern.
And that's a wonderful place to have lunch. What we'll do is that your waiters and waitresses will be dressed in period clothing.
Oh, really?
Yep, from the mid to late 1800s.
Oh, that's nice.
So that's a fun place to eat.
Yeah.
Yeah, she can see that.
Yeah, we will check that out later, sure.
Do you like this swirling?
Do you know the squirrel? The squirrels are going around eating some of the pumpkins.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah, the squirrels are eating around.
They love the pumpkins.
Is it nice here?
There's a great playground. There's a modeling program here. Kids can climb into. Here's some
And are you happy for you?
Mama, can you spy this
I'm a
one?
driver. I started
Can you
in June.
spy
I
it?
got certified in August. So
Can you spy it, Papa?
It's not for sale.
What?
you have to be trained.
Because it's
and
old,
you have to
it's
pass the test from
expensive.
This is stand 44, another good place to have lunch.
But this one is kind of modern that waiters there are.
Yeah, so they have good pizzas there. There'll be a menu for you.
Work
They're more
here.
traditional meals.
Work
like pot
here.
roast and chicken.
Here.
And it's a tavern.
Hi guys, so ito yung replica ng Ford Motor Company wherein yung Model T ginawa at fun fact is sa Detroit siya and it's not easy for Ford na gawin siya kasi he have to go 2 times. He failed 2 times para makabuo siya ng mga sasakyan and from there around 1903 na nagsimula na mag-produce siya ng sasakyan.
So, pero ito ay replica lang. This is not the original one. And this is just a portion. The size of it is just like a portion of the original one. The original one is very huge.
You just have to live. So long. Bye, Mr. Ford. Oh, sorry. Oh.
Yes. This is Henry Ford's shop. But this is not the original, anak. What kind of, what do you think?
A door?
Maybe it's the door, right?
This is the rim, and this is the tire.
Yeah, the tire. Yeah?
What's the original one?
I'm not sure. Maybe it is the original one. Yeah, but this is look kuya. This is how they produced the cars before, and this is the workshop used to create those cars. Oh, this one is the 15th millionth, guys.
Kuya, any stand?
15th millionth Ford. Hi guys, so dito sa likod namin is yung the 15th millionth Ford. Yan. So why is this special for the Ford company? Because this is the last Model T na produce all over the world. This is the last one.
Yan. Siya. Ford Motor Company. Yan.
Enjoy your day. It closes at 3 o'clock though.
Most of the buildings here are originals. So Henry Ford collected them piece by piece, transported them to Michigan. So now papunta kami dito ngayon sa Wright Brothers workshop. Ito yung kanilang shop. So diyan nila binuo yung they are bicycle mechanics at diyan nila binuo yung original na pinag-model ng airplane. So this building was transported from Ohio by Henry Ford.
Yep. And prior to that, they were in the train business, believe it or not.
And all these parts kind of still those old things that they have.
Pardon me?
All these parts of the bicycle.
Empty rooms.
Blue bike. Kuya, can you please tell me about the blue bike? What did you learn about the blue bike?
I saw it in the book.
Yeah, please tell me about the blue bike.
Read what I wrote.
I thought what did you read about Wright Brothers yesterday?
Any questions I can answer?
You forgot.
Okay.
Kuya, this this is the model of what you
I
call
saw
it.
this one. I saw that great photo.
Guys, so letter of Orville Wright to Mr. Ford to Henry Ford. Yeah. So
Yes.
those two pieces are the original ones dun sa kauna-unahang flyer ng Wright Brothers, and this is the model. Nice. And the exact replica is in Henry Ford Museum, right?
There is an exact replica.
Why this one can turn?
Do not touch. It says there, do not
Why
touch.
is this one to turn?
Yep, that's one of the first plane flights.
This is the first flight, guys, of the Wright Brothers. First flight of the Wright Brothers.
I want to walk.
This is the exact.
Samuel.
Hi, horsey! Look, it's so huge. Ang laki niya, guys. Kabayo. Ang ganda ng Ang laki ng kabayo. We will ride the carousel later.
No, the home first.
The horse first?
No, the home.
Okay. Sure.
Ito yung kaya namin, Stand 44, doon sa Henry Ford.
Is Stan 44 din pangalan nun?
Yeah. Chicken up. This is for you, ma'am.
Thank you. Ali, say hi. Papa, hi. Uy! It's hi.
I want. Oh, you will come here and find me, okay? Come down here. I'll show you the truck.
Dito kami sa playground, guys. Oh, it's hot na. Let's go.
Oh, come here.
Let's ride first. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah, I'm here. I'm going with you. Ito guys yung yung sinaunang stage. So, ito yung mga ito yung area na nagtatanghal sila long time ago. So this is the original, yeah, mga pagtatanghal. Hindi ko sure kung meron siyang talagang ginagawang pagtatanghal dito, but for now wala.
Hi guys, so palabas na kami kasi nag-alarm siya. Nawalan ng kuryente yung buong lugar, kaya i-ask lahat ng mga guests na lumabas na, magsa-shutdown sila. So yun, see you guys and thank you, babalik na lang kami sa susunod.